What is good? So what I have in front of me is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and it has a matted finish with it. This is my first matted lipstick that I ever bought before. Purchased this sometime last year. So like I said before, I don't wear a lot of makeup, so that's probably the reason why it still looks full. And first of all, I love the design of it. Like, I really think that it's artsy, it's really creative. Like, I love I don't know, I guess you say like the floral designs on it. Like, that's what it looks like flowers. It's getting ready to blossom. Down here, it said the Kat Von D, but it faded. So, but the type of lipstick that it is, name is Lolita. And you see it says at the bottom, Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. And Lolita. I'm just really fascinated with the designs. You can see as like I keep twirling it around and stuff. I really don't have any cons against this. The only thing is that I did a skin tester to see like what it looks like on my skin tone right quick. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like so I can let you see what it looks like on my skin complexion. But yeah, that's what it looks like on my skin complexion. And the only thing I have against this was that, I mean, it's the matted finish, so of course it's going to stay on. It was hard for me to get it off my wrist, and it was hard for me to get off my lips. Not saying it's a hard thing, you know, when you're going out. I mean, yeah, you want something to stay on your lips, especially if it's matted. But when it's time to take it off, I mean, I was struggling. And if you mess up, no tissue, no water, it kind of, you know, it took some off of my lips. But I mean, my lips was red and it looked like I scratched it or whatever. So that's probably my own fault for not having like the proper makeup removal when I do myself. But I wasn't necessarily in panic mode. But then I was like, dang, look like, you know, I was rubbing my lips a lot, and this actually stayed on my lips though throughout the time I was wearing it. I don't really remember it coming off of my lips and seeing any product on the straw at all. If I did, it was probably like a little small amount of it, but not a lot. And when I use, you know, like napkins or them fancy white tablecloth napkins, I don't really remember it coming off of there either. So I don't have anything against this at all. I wish I had the box with that. Well, actually, I don't really remember if it even came with the box. That's how long ago I bought this that I don't even remember, which is crazy. But I mean, this is what it looks like, and I know they have other names as well. At first, I didn't think that this might have gone with my skin tone. Like, I was kind of wondering, like, is it going to be too light? Is it too dark? Oh, wait a minute. Did I say cat? You see, I'm struggling over here. I like this too. This girl, Cat, you did your thing, honey. That's what I can say. You did your thing. Okay. Another product that I used by her was, when I bought this, I actually got the eyeliner free, and her eyeliner lasted for a good while too. Like, it applied on really easily, like a pencil. Like the other eyeliner, it stayed on all night, all day. It was very easy to apply. It was pretty small though. I think it was the size was about this big, but I mean, it wasn't a problem. You know, I easily put on my eyes like it wasn't nothing. and it was, but I believe it was waterproof too. Yeah, this definitely goes well with my skin complexion. I've tried other matte lipsticks, and this is the only one that I don't feel like my lips are like bricks, literally, or just give that ash, that dried up outline. Those matte lipsticks, I got those for like $1 or $2, and I ain't downplaying it at all. I'm not. It just didn't do anything for me. I tried to mix it a little bit with different colors and different products. I even tried slapping on a lip gloss on top of it to give it some shine and make it not look so dry and so sad. But no justice. No justice. No justice. No justice. Not that didn't even help. Not even a quick prayer can help at all. Like, my lips just looks sad. And I think maybe because of the size of it, that has something to do with it too. I see my lips don't like anything dealing with that. But with this, I was like, okay, I see you. I see you changing. I actually like this one a lot. So that's what I'm saying, man. Kat Von D, you did your thing, girl. Keep on making lipsticks and makeup products and stuff. I got nothing but love for you. But yeah, I really would like to try the other ones. I wasn't really paying too much attention to see if she had any darker ones. I think she did, but I'm not quite sure. But like I said before, I really was worried that it wouldn't go with my skin complexion, but it actually does. So I'm really happy with that. I don't know, it didn't make my lips bigger. Because I don't know, sometimes I feel like some lipsticks can make your lips look bigger or fuller. I don't know, I maybe that's just me being mindset or whatnot. It didn't really do that to my lips. It actually kind of toned my lips down a little bit, which is pretty cool. I mean, I'm not saying I have like big, huge lips, but you know, like, I have some lips on me. So, but yeah, if you want to try some lipstick that's matted, that's quality as well, definitely try this out. And I'm gonna try to twist it so you can see what it looks like right quick. Yeah, I had to make sure you can actually like see the matted part. You can see how it matted on my wrist perfectly now. And it kind of still looks a little moist towards the left, but you can see it, how it really dried up. So it's matte. And this is what it looks like when I unscrewed it. That's how much product came out when I didn't like take any off. I just untwisted it and just took it out.